My name is Clinton Stanberry. I'm a manual machinist with CRT. I've been here since 2019. The idea of just working on something that's in the air, it sounded exciting. I came from more of a production, manufacturing background. Manufacturing is repetitive, so it can bore someone after a while. But like what we do here, we repair parts, so every part is unique because of wear and tear. You can't predict that. As far as support goes, I can focus on my job because the moment I'm clocked in, the expediter has my part there, and the supervisor has reviewed my schedule. He's looked at the issues. If it's certain issues that needs engineering, they're waiting on this. So the support system is, from top to bottom, is superb. I have the opportunity to learn on vertical turning lathes, horizontal boring mills, manual and CNC, and the vertical and horizontal grinders as well. A unique part of working at CRT would be you take a vacation and you recognize a plane that one of the parts that you work on is on. And it's a cool feeling to know, like, hey, I worked on a component that's on this plane, a part of this whole component right here. I think a key point, it might not have nothing to do with machining, but the idea that the rich our president knows my name, it still boggles my mind. Here you actually feel like somebody. That's a great feeling. I found my career destination. Come find yours.